Good morning, children. How are you? Next week you have periodic 1 exam, and I thought revise start the preparing for the examination. Let us start the day with a few tips for the examination. Children, you have to give enough time to study and for better understanding the concept. You can make a mind map and a diagram to your memory and read pattern wisely. During the study, you can take a rest and take some snacks. Drink plenty of water. Read lesson fully because you studying CBSE. So, read line by line and prepare yourself interior question answer. Okay, children, how many lessons for periodic 1 you know? Yeah, lesson 1 and 2. Lesson 1 and 2.
Students, now I am going to revise classwork lesson 1 and 2. After that, we can revise choose, fill-ups, who am I and mind map. Okay, now come to question answer.
Question answer. First lesson name is The World We Live in. Okay. 4th Roman, page number 22. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. A questions. What is an axis? An imaginary line passing through the center of the earth on which its spin is known as axis. What is an axis? An imaginary line passing through the center of the earth on which its spin is known as axis. Now, B questions. Mention the ocean surrounding Asia. Mention the ocean surrounding Asia. Asia is surrounded by 3 oceans. What are they? Asia is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Pacific Ocean in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Again one time. The Arctic Ocean in the north, the Pacific Ocean in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Okay. Now, see question. Why was Africa referred to as the dark continent? Africa was known as the dark continent because it remained unexplored for a fairly long period of time. Again, Africa was known as the dark continent because it remained unexplored for a fairly long period of time. Okay. Now, the question. Name the countries from the Scandinavian Peninsula. Name the countries that form the Scandinavian Peninsula. Norway and Sweden are the countries that form the Scandinavian Peninsula. Norway and Sweden. Okay. Now, he questions, what is the Pacific Ring of Fire? What is the Pacific Ring of Fire? Most of the earth volcanoes are located in the Pacific Ocean, forming a horseshoe-shaped ring known as the Pacific Ring of Fire. Again one time, most of the earth volcanoes are located in the Pacific Ocean, forming a horseshoe-shaped ring known as the Pacific Ring of Fire. Explain about, answer the following questions. A. What are maps and globes? Students, a map is a graphical representation of the earth's surface drawn to scale on a sheet of paper. Okay? Now, come to classwork answer. Map. A map is a symbolic representation of selected characteristic of a place, usually drawn on a flat surface. Okay, students. Now, globe. A globe is a model of the earth. A globe is a model of the earth. Okay. Now, B questions. Differentiate between latitude and longitude. Latitude. These are imaginary circles. They run parallel to the equator in north to south. Now longitude. These are imaginary semicircles. They run from the North Pole to the South Pole. Now, latitude. There are 180 parallel of latitude. These are 360 meridian of longitude. Now, latitude. They are parallel and never meet each other. They are not parallel and meet at poles. Okay, student. Now, see questions. Name all the continents. Write 2 sentences about Australia. There are how many continents? 7 major continents. How many? 7 major continents. Namely, Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Australia is the smallest continent of the world. It lies entirely in the southern hemisphere. D questions. Which continent is known as the frozen continent? What kind of animals and vegetation are found on it? Antarctica continent is known as the frozen continent. Birds such as the albatross, penguin and some animals such as the whales, leopard, seals and orcas are found here. Algae and lichens are grown here. Okay, students. Now, see questions. Name all the oceans of the world and write 2 sentences of the Pacific Ocean. There are 5 oceans in our world, namely the Arctic Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean. The deepest point on the earth, the Challenger Deep in the Mariana Trench, are found in the Pacific Ocean. Now, lesson 2, movements of the earth. Lesson 2, movements of the earth. Page number 37. Fourth Roman, answer the following questions in one or two sentences. A questions: how is day and night caused? Day and night are caused by earth rotation on its axis. Day and night are caused by earth rotation on its axis. Okay, students. What is a leap year? The year with the 366 days instead of 365 days is called a leap year. The year with 366 days instead of 365 days is called a leap year. Okay, students. Again one time I explain about leap year. Already you know the earth takes 365 and 6 hours to complete one revolution, but the calendar shows 365 days in a year. These leftover hours are added up every year. Every fourth year, 1 day or 24 is added to February to make it 29 days. This is called a leap year. Okay. Now, what are season? Now, what are season? Season are different times or period of the year that are marked by changes in the climate, temperature and hours of daylight. Okay. Now, come to the classwork answer. Seasons are different times or period of the year that are marked by changes in the climate, temperature and hours of daylight. Okay. How many seasons? There are 4 seasons. What are they? Spring, summer, autumn and winter. Okay. Now, D questions. How are seasons caused? Seasons are caused due to 2 reasons. The tilt of the earth axis and the revolution of the earth around the sun in a fixed path. Fixed path. Now, E questions. What does solstice means? Solstice is the time when the sun reaches its highest or lowest point at noon, resulting in the shortest and longest day of the year. Differentiate between rotation and revolution. Rotation. The movement of the earth on its axis is 24 hours is called a rotation. It causes day and night. Revolution. The movement of the earth around the sun in 365 days and 6 hours is called a revolution. It causes season. Okay. Now, B questions. How is a leap year formed? Earth complete one revolution around the sun in 365 days and 6 hours. Over a period of 4 years, the extra 6 hours from every year get added up to become an entire day. Hence, we have a leap year every 4 years. Okay, now see questions. Write briefly about spring and autumn. Spring. Now I explain about spring season. Spring is a time when flowers bloom, trees begin to grow and reproduce. The temperature in spring gets warmer. Autumn or fall season of the year between summer and winter, during which temperature gradually decreases. What happens on 21st March? On 21st March, the sun is directly overhead the equator, thereby causing an equinox. The northern hemisphere has spring equinox. The southern hemisphere has autumn equinox. Northern hemisphere has spring equinox. The southern hemisphere has autumn equinox. Okay. Now, key questions. What happens on 21st September and 21st September? The sun is again directly over the equator. The northern hemisphere has autumn equinox. The southern hemisphere has spring equinox. The northern hemisphere has autumn equinox. The southern hemisphere has spring equinox. Students, let us move to book interior. One more questions. Okay. The page number 13. Choose the tilt imaginary line in the center of the earth is called the dash. Equator axis. Center of the line axis only. Answer axis. Now second one, each dash is a semicircle. Semicircle longitude. Semicircle longitude. Now third one, latitudes run from east to west. Latitude run from east to west. North to south longitude. So here answer east to west. Now fourth one, the dash circle lies at 66.5 degrees south of the equator. South of the equator Antarctic, north of the equator Arctic. So here what answer? South of the equator Antarctic. Okay. Now page number 14. First one, Africa was called the dark continent. Africa was called the dark continent. Here given two options, Africa and Asia. Africa only. Here Asia is the largest continent. Here Africa was called the dark continent. Africa only. Correct answer. Now second one, the world largest country, Russia and India. Russia only. Correct answer. India is 7th largest country. So here first largest country Russia. This only answer Russia. Now third one, dash is a desert found in the south of Africa. Kalahari. Sahara. Kalahari is a desert found in the south of Africa. Okay. And fourth one, the longest river in North America is Mississippi. Longest river in North America is Mississippi. Okay. Now 16th page. The world highest waterfall is Angel Fall. Second one, The Isthmus of Banana connect North and South America. Connect North and South America. Now, third one. The dash river is called the River Sea, Amazon. Amazon. Okay. Now, page number 18. The dash separate Europe and Asia. Ural Mountain and Himalaya. Himalaya located in north side of India. Ural Mountain only divided the Europe and Asia. So here answer Ural Mountain. Second one, Australia and its neighboring regions are called Oceania. Oceania. Eurasia means Europe and Asia connected land masses. But here what question? Australia and its neighboring region are called Oceania. Now, third one. The British Isles consist of Great Britain and Ireland. Great Britain and Ireland. Now, fourth one. The world's smallest country is Vatican City. Smallest country is Vatican City. Okay. Now, page number 19. A group of island is called an archipelago. Lakshadweep has the largest group of island. Dash is the world's largest island, Greenland. Dash is the most peaceful ocean. Peace means Pacific. Pacific is the most peaceful ocean. Now, book back, page number 21. The traffic of first Roman, fill in the blanks. First Roman, fill in the blanks. The Tropic of Capricorn lies at 23.5 south of equator. South of equator. Now, B. Highest peak in North America is Mount McKinley. Mount McKinley. Now, C. The Amazon rainforest is called the lungs of the world. The lungs of the world. Now, D questions. The deepest point on earth is the Challenger Deep. Now, E. Longest underwater mountain range is called Mid-Ocean Ridge. Mid-Ocean Ridge. Now, second Roman, choose the correct answer. The 0-degree longitude is called prime meridian. Here given three answers: prime meridian, equator, Tropic of Cancer. Equator is the biggest latitude, and the Tropic of Cancer is also latitude located in North Pole. But here 0-degree longitude is called prime meridian. Question: 0-degree longitude is called prime meridian. Prime meridian only here answer. Now, the total number of longitude is 360, 181 and 150. Here answer 360. Now, see, the huge water body that existed millions of years ago was called Panthalassa. Pangea means large land body. But here question, the huge water body. Panthalassa. Now, D questions. Dash is a lake in Africa. Lake Victoria, Lake Erie and Lake Ella. Lake Victoria only located in Africa. So here answer Lake Victoria. Now, E question. The largest hot desert in the world is Sahara. Sahara only largest hot desert in the students. Now you take page number 34. Book interior one more. The dash of the earth causes day and night. Already know the rotation. Now second one. Season are caused due to the tilt of the earth axis. Tilt of the earth axis. Now page number 35. On 21st September, the sun is directly above the equator. 21st September, the sun is directly above the equator. 21st June, sun rays fall directly, Tropic of Cancer. Here answer equator. Second one, on 21st June, the sun rays fall directly on the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Here answer Tropic of Cancer. Now, on 21st December, the dash has continuous darkness, North Pole. Now, fourth one, on dash and dash, the earth experiences equinox, 21st March and 21st September. Now, book questions. Page number 36. The imaginary line on which the earth spin is called the axis. B. The dash of the earth causes season, revolution. C. Questions. A leap year has 366 days. What answer? 366 days. Now D. Fillers. During dash leaves from the trees falls to the ground. Autumn. What answer? Autumn. Now E questions. The shortest day of the year in the southern hemisphere is on December 22nd. December 22nd. Now choose the correct answer for second lesson. The earth takes dash to complete one rotation. 365 days. What answer? 365 days. B questions. In a leap year, February has dash days, 29 days. Autumn is followed by winter. Autumn is followed by winter. Now D. Choose dash means equal day and equal night, equinox. Now E. On 21st September, the southern hemisphere has spring equinox. Spring. Students, you can refer the textbook for who am I and meaning. Students, if you have any doubt, ask me through the WhatsApp. All the pattern, write and see and correct yourself. You will score 30 out of 30. All the best. Thank you, children.